Our chief guest is in our midst. Thank you, sir, and welcome to Kumulum Stadium. Today is the final day of Kibra Football League 2021, which will be played between West Zone TDC and Gomati Zone under 19. We warmly welcome you, all the guests. Sri Baichun Bhutia has already arrived. He is the former captain of Indian football team and one of the football stars of India. We are fortunate to have him. So after a short while, we will start a formal program to welcome him by presenting bouquet and our traditional risa. Paiso Paikan Sini Porong Denang Dorong Mungkin Manai Ulo Tahu Seratan Bisinan Sini Yo Langsung Lama Tapi tahu Sini Koinai Media Ramang Sisas Hasal Teman Bagai Presented to our Bubara Maharaj. And now to our chief guest and our honorable CM, Sri Purnachandra Jamatia, and our deputy CM along with him, Sri Amish Devarma. We also have another honorable here, Tahu Risharewi Tai Westcoast. This is our traditional Westcoast of Tripura, and that is